In there with 4 sticks of butter. We got that butter melted down. We're gonna go in there with that holy trinity, y'all. We're going in there with 2 tablespoons of garlic right there. Hitting it with a little Worcester sauce, hit it with a little paprika, and that hot sauce. That Southern boys love right there. Oh, look at that color going on there. So with a little bit of that sea salt, and hit it with that pepper. You know I like that pepper. With 4 plastic spoons of that cornstarch. Ooh, look at that. Go in there with 2 cups of water, 2 cans of that cream of mushroom soup right there. Put the other 2 cups of water with 2 pounds of them Louisiana crawfish right there, y'all. This ain't no Chinese stuff right here, y'all. That's all Louisiana crawfish, right? I'm kind of broke in there like that. They was kind of frozen, huh? Hit it with them green onions right there. Get them whisk in there like that, a little bit like that. All right, y'all, we got that temperature kicking right there, about 300. By the time we get the fish open, it'll be 325 temperature we're looking for. So we're gonna open up this Guidry's catfish right here, y'all. This is breaded already. And y'all, let me tell you something. You talk about some good stuff right here. Get it opened up like this. Look at that, y'all. It's all frozen and everything, and it's just ready to go in the fryer, just like this. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Drop that in there like that. Ooh-wee. See that fish? See how it's frying in there? See all them bubbles coming out? Them bubbles will start slowing down. They'll float up to the top. Be time to remove them. They get good and golden brown. All right, look at there. Ooh, look how pretty that fish is right there. Huh? Is that beautiful or what right there? Get it shake down a little bit, dump it right there. Oh, man. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. All right, B, while that fish is hot, we're gonna hit it with that Southern boys love over the top of it. Oh, man. Hey, look at this, look at this, look at that. Look at them little hush puppies right there. Boy, everybody loves them hush puppies. Get them dumped out right here. Uh-oh, there's grease coming out of them. Uh-oh, there goes this. Okay, look at that right there.
Hey, Daddy.
Hey, babe.
What are you doing?
Oh, look at here, babe. We got it cooked. Now it's time to eat that Catfish Louisiana. A lot of y'all gonna say, hey, what is Catfish Louisiana? Let me show you right here. Look, you take that rice right there, you put that rice down like that. You gotta build you a bed of rice first, like that. Look at that right there. You come over here, you grab you some of that fish like that. You lay you a piece of fish on that rice like that. Look at that, look at that, look at that. And you turn it around right here, B. Come over here. That side away. Look at this here. Look at that. Look at that crawfish etouffee right there. Look, you're just gonna put that right over the top of that like that. Look at them onions. Look at them bell peppers. Look at that celery going on there. Look at them crawfish. Get that all over the top of it like that. And you come over here. We're gonna grab some of that corn right there, B. Get us a thing, a little scoop of corn. We're gonna drop it on right there like that. Now, y'all, when I say this here is a plate of goodness right here, y'all, this is a plate of goodness. Oh, grab me a couple of them plush puppies, put right there. This is a plate of goodness right here. We're gonna dig in here. We're gonna get a little bit of that catfish like that, with that catfish, with that crawfish etouffee on it. That right there, y'all. Got a little corn in it. Oh my goodness, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. Just look at that.
He can't stop eating it.
B, I don't want to stop eating it. This is too good. Y'all, Catfish Louisiana, you got to try it. It just don't get no better than that right there, y'all.